So, we have a 4L80E, and I know for a fact that the F-body guys have been swapping these things in there forever. So, you know, it's got the reputation of the heavy-duty trans, the best one from General Motors. So what I've done is I've gone and gotten a shifter from a 98 to 03 Camaro / Firebird, known as the F-body. I didn't really want to spend $400 to $500 for a B&M shifter and then cut the crap out of my center console to make it look like crap. This is kind of like a sleeper / daily driver that I just want it to really sound good, have that V8 sound, and have that performance so I can catch people, you know, catch people on the drop that think it's just a regular V6 all-wheel drive Mercedes. It's all part of the plan.